Want to automate your software development lifecycle? Let's dive deep into building CI/CD pipelines with Azure DevOps. Let's break down the process step by step, from code integration to deployment. Get ready to streamline your workflow. First, what exactly is a CI/CD pipeline? It's a series of automated steps that integrate code changes and deploy them to production. Continuous integration, CI, focuses on frequent code commits and automated testing. Continuous deployment, CD, takes it further, automatically deploying code to production after successful CI. A CI/CD pipeline consists of three main stages: build, test, and deploy. The build stage compiles code and packages it. The test stage runs automated tests to ensure code quality. Finally, the deploy stage automates the deployment to various environments, like dev, QA, or production. Why implement a CI/CD pipeline? It offers numerous benefits, including faster delivery of features, enhanced collaboration among developers, reduced risk of errors, and improved software quality. Automation minimizes human error and accelerates the release cycle. To build CI/CD pipelines in Azure DevOps, you need an active Azure DevOps account and a repository containing your application code, preferably hosted on Git. We'll walk through the setup process step by step. First, log into your Azure DevOps account and navigate to your project. Create a new pipeline, select your repository, and choose a template that matches your application's technology stack. If no template is available, use the starter pipeline and define your pipeline using YAML or the Visual Designer. In the build stage, configure tasks to compile your code, restore dependencies, and generate build artifacts. In the test stage, define automated tests, code analysis, and quality checks. This ensures your code is built and tested automatically. Next, define deployment stages for each target environment. Configure deployment tasks to deploy your application to Azure resources like Azure App Service or Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS. This automates the deployment process. Set up triggers to automatically initiate the pipeline on code changes, pull requests, or schedules. Define variables to manage configuration settings and securely store sensitive data like connection strings and API keys. Run the pipeline manually or let it trigger automatically. Monitor the pipeline's progress and review logs for any issues. This ensures smooth and reliable deployments. Azure DevOps also integrates seamlessly with mobile app development. The Azure DevOps mobile app allows you to monitor and control your CI/CD pipelines and Azure boards, providing real-time updates on build statuses and deployment progress. To optimize your CI/CD workflows, follow these best practices. Use infrastructure as code, IAC, for consistent infrastructure provisioning, automate deployment processes, implement continuous integration, use version control like Git, define a clear branching strategy, automate testing, monitor and observe your pipelines, integrate security checks, leverage collaboration tools, and regularly review and optimize your pipelines. Azure DevOps is a powerful platform for automating your software development lifecycle. By implementing CI/CD pipelines, you can reduce errors, improve collaboration, accelerate time to market, and enhance software quality. Its flexibility allows integration with various cloud providers, making it a robust solution for modern development teams. Ready to streamline your development process? Book a customized consultation with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.